First Choice Repairs and Maintenance. Whether it's new construction or restoration, our team tackles both commercial and residential projects with ease. At First Choice, occupied spaces are no obstacle. We specialize in keeping your operations smooth while we work. From planning to multi-phase execution, our end-to-end service ensures seamless communication, meticulous budgeting, and expert staffing. With solid, quality handiwork and on-site organization, we deliver excellence every time. Collaborating with top architects and designers, we create not just structures, but visions brought to life. Call us today. Let's bring our project management prowess and extensive construction expertise to your next venture. First Choice Repairs and Maintenance, where your vision is built with precision.